Women confess what sexual traits they find irresistible. Hey there, it's Anna. Today we are delving into one of the most tantalizing topics out there. What sexual traits do women find absolutely irresistible? This isn't just guesswork. We've got real confessions from women about the traits that truly light their fire. From the subtle nuances to the more explicit characteristics, I'll take you through what women have candidly revealed. And by the end of this video, you will have a deeper understanding of what ignites that spark of desire. So, ready to uncover these irresistible secrets? Let's get started. Confidence in intimacy. Many women find it irresistible when a man exudes confidence in intimate settings. This doesn't mean being overly dominant or aggressive, rather it's about being self-assured and considerate. A confident man in the bedroom knows how to take the lead when appropriate, but also pays close attention to her needs and pleasure. And this balance can create an atmosphere of safety and excitement, making the experience enjoyable for both partners. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence plays a crucial role in creating a deeply satisfying intimate experience. Women often appreciate a partner who can read and respond to their emotional and physical signals. A man who is attuned to her mood, comfort level, and responses and adjusts his actions accordingly can significantly enhance the intimacy. This sensitivity and understanding can make the sexual experience much more fulfilling and emotionally satisfying. Sensual touch. Now, the art of touch is a highly valued trait. Women often find men who understand how to touch in a way that is both gentle and assertive incredibly attractive. This involves knowing when to be soft and when to apply more pressure, understanding the areas that arouse and stimulate, and using touch to communicate desire and affection. This kind of tactile communication can be deeply arousing and can create a strong physical and emotional connection. Playful and adventurous attitude. An open-minded, playful, and adventurous approach to intimacy is often irresistible. This includes being willing to explore new ideas, trying out fantasies, and keeping an element of surprise in the bedroom. It's about having a fun and exploratory attitude towards sex, which can make intimate moments feel fresh, exciting, and deeply satisfying. This willingness to experiment and explore can lead to discovering new levels of pleasure and deepening the intimate bond. Strong, yet tender. Many women confess to finding the combination of strength and tenderness irresistible in a partner. This trait encompasses someone who can exhibit dominance and confidence, but also isn't afraid to show vulnerability and affection. This balance is crucial as it creates a sense of safety and emotional connection, allowing for a deeper and more meaningful sexual experience. A man who can be protective and assertive, yet also tender and caring, can be incredibly attractive as it caters to both the physical and emotional aspects of intimacy. A good listener. Being a good listener is often listed as a highly attractive trait. In sexual contexts, this means paying close attention to her likes and dislikes and tailoring the intimate experience accordingly. When a man listens and responds to her cues, it not only enhances her pleasure but also shows that he values her satisfaction. Women often appreciate a partner who can tune in to their needs and desires, as this demonstrates respect, care, and of course a willingness to engage in a mutually satisfying experience. Vocal appreciation. Vocal appreciation during intimate moments can be extremely alluring. This involves expressing pleasure, desire, and satisfaction through words and sounds. Now, women often find it irresistible when a partner is communicative and expressive about their enjoyment. This not only helps in guiding the physical aspect of intimacy, but it also adds an emotional depth, making the experience much more engaging and fulfilling. Physical fitness. Physical fitness, while not the most important trait, is often mentioned as attractive. Now, this does not imply the need for a perfect body, but rather a body that shows a degree of self-care and effort. A certain level of physical fitness can be appealing, as it often correlates with stamina, strength, and vitality, all of which can enhance the physical aspect of intimacy. Eye contact. Eye contact during those intimate moments is often a trait that women find highly irresistible. When a man maintains intimate eye contact, especially at crucial moments, it creates a profound emotional connection. Now, this form of non-verbal communication can intensify the experience, making it much more passionate and meaningful. Eye contact signifies presence and deep engagement, allowing both partners to feel more connected, understood, and valued, and it's a simple yet powerful way to enhance intimacy. Passion and enthusiasm. Women confess that they find genuine passion and enthusiasm during intimate moments extremely attractive. When a man is fully engaged and shows authentic excitement and eagerness, well, it makes the experience much more fulfilling for both of you. This enthusiasm demonstrates that he is not just physically present, but also emotionally invested in the experience, and it conveys a sense of being desired and appreciated, which can be a major turn-on for many women. Intuitive understanding. The ability to be intuitive and understand a woman's needs and desires during those intimate moments without her having to explicitly state them is another trait that many women find irresistible. Now, this involves being attuned to her body language and subtle cues and responding appropriately. Such intuition can create a smoother, more satisfying sexual experience as it demonstrates empathy, attentiveness, and a deep connection. Respectful dominance. Many women are attracted to a man who can be assertively dominant in bed while still being respectful of her boundaries and consent. Now, respectful dominance means taking control in a way that is confident and assertive, but not overbearing or insensitive. It's about leading the experience while ensuring it remains mutually enjoyable and a consensual act. Now, this balance between assertiveness and respect can create a dynamic that is both exciting and safe, which is a potent combination for many women. Grooming and hygiene. For many women, good personal grooming and hygiene are non-negotiable traits that they find irresistible in a sexual partner. Because when a man takes pride in his appearance, keeps himself well groomed, and maintains good hygiene, it's not just about looking good, it's a sign of self-respect and consideration for his partner. It shows that he values himself and cares about the comfort and preferences of his partner. Cleanliness and grooming do play a significant role in physical attraction and can significantly enhance intimacy. Creativity and imagination. Creativity and imagination in the bedroom are traits that excite many women. A partner who can think outside the box, suggest new ideas, and bring a sense of playfulness and experimentation into their sexual experiences is often viewed as more desirable. This creativity indicates a willingness to explore, to keep things fresh, and cater to varied desires and fantasies, and it suggests an adventurous spirit that can make intimate experiences much more enjoyable and memorable. Patience and attentiveness. Patience and attentiveness. Now, these are key traits that women often find irresistible in a sexual context. A man who takes his time to understand and responds to her needs, who doesn't rush through intimate moments, and who is attentive to her responses is highly valued. This patience indicates a focus on mutual pleasure and a desire to ensure the experience is fulfilling for her. It's about creating a connected and harmonious sexual experience where her satisfaction is as important as his. A sense of humour. That's right, a sense of humour, especially regarding sex, is another trait that many women find attractive. Being able to laugh together during intimate moments can ease tension, break down barriers, and create a comfortable and relaxed environment. It indicates that the man doesn't take himself too seriously and can navigate the natural awkwardness or unpredictability of sex with ease. Humour can be a powerful tool in building both emotional and sexual intimacy, making the experience much more enjoyable and a lot less pressured. Intimacy outside the bedroom. Many women confess that they find it irresistible when a man displays affection and attraction outside of sexual encounters. So this trait goes beyond the physical aspect of a relationship and emphasizes the importance of emotional intimacy. Actions like holding hands, thoughtful gestures, deep conversations, and showing public affection can significantly deepen that emotional connection. This continuous intimacy outside the bedroom suggests a comprehensive and profound bond, making the sexual relationship more meaningful and fulfilling. Unpredictability. Unpredictability in a sexual relationship can be a major turn-on for many women. When a man is spontaneous and occasionally surprises her, it can significantly heighten the sexual attraction. This could be anything from surprising her with a romantic evening to trying something new and exciting in the bedroom. Now, the key is the element of surprise and the break from routine, which keeps the relationship vibrant and exciting. It shows a willingness to keep the passion alive and prevent the relationship from becoming stagnant. Empathetic aftercare. This is truly a highly valued trait by many women. After an intimate encounter, showing care, affection, and concern for her well-being can be incredibly attractive. This can be as simple as cuddling, engaging in gentle conversation, or just ensuring that she feels comfortable. Empathetic aftercare shows that a man values her not just for the sexual aspect of the relationship, but cares about her overall happiness and comfort. It reinforces trust and strengthens the emotional bond. Communication skills, especially concerning sexual preferences, boundaries, and desires, are crucial in a relationship and are often found to be irresistible by many. A man who can openly discuss these topics respectfully and constructively tends to be more attractive. The openness creates a safe space for both partners to express their needs and desires, leading to a more satisfying and fulfilling sexual experience. And good communication also implies respect, understanding, and a strong foundation for both emotional and sexual intimacy. So, now that you know what traits women find irresistible, take the next step. Discover how to create sexual tension to keep that spark alive, or dive into the hidden signs that she thinks of you often. And thank you for watching. Like, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more insights.